Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these gold beaded rings. Now I'll show you how to make these rings. To make my rings I will be using this beading wire, which is a very strong beading wire, a pair of pliers, scissors and 2 types of beads. For my first ring I'll be using approximately 20 centimeter long wire and I will be using these gold beads. So basically I'm adding these gold beads on this wire till it fits my finger. So it looks like it is enough beads on the wire for my ring. I'm trying this on. It looks like it is enough beads on a wire. Next I'll fix this wire. I'm making a knot with the 2 ends of the wire like that, and I'm wrapping those wire ends around the beads. And I'm making another knot to secure the wire like that, and I'm pulling those 2 wire ends with the pliers, just making sure that it's nice and strong, and I'm cutting the wire ends off and my ring is finished. I made another ring using same technique from these crystal beads, so they're nice and shiny, looks lovely. And I can stack these rings as many as I like. Looks really cute. Next I'll show you how to make this ring. I'm cutting a piece of wire approximately 40 centimeters long, and I'm folding this wire in half like that, and I'm adding a crystal bead in the middle so it looks like that. Next I'm adding 2 gold beads on each end of the wire like that, and I'm pushing those 2 beads next to the crystal bead so it looks like that. Next I'm adding another crystal bead through both wire ends inside, and I'm joining other beads and it looks like that. Next I'm adding another 2 gold beads on each end of the wire and joining other beads, and then I'm just repeating the process till I have the size that fits my finger. I'm quickly trying ring on and it looks a bit small still, so I'm adding more beads. I'm trying my ring on again and it looks like it fits. I'm twisting both wire ends around so the wire end is secured. Then I'm inserting each wire end through the bead, so one wire end goes in that direction and other wire end goes on other direction through the same bead. I'm using a pair of pliers and I'm tightening that wire so it's nice and secure. Next I'm repeating the same process. I'm putting those wire ends through the beads and I'm wrapping the wires around the beads and cutting ends off, and my ring is finished. Oh, I love it. Really like this design. If you have any questions how I made these rings, please do comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.